How to fix Instagram black photo on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black photo on Android or iOS phone. First go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then restart your phone, and after that close all the applications in the background, and then just open Instagram and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, let's move to the next step. If you have an iOS, just to go to settings and then general and then iPhone storage, search for Instagram and then click offload. And now if you have an Android, go to settings, go to apps and then apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click force stop and go to storage clear cache. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.